Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Arrived Homes app for fractional rentals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Arrived Homes app for fractional rentals, start by unlocking your mobile device. Locate the App Store on your device. For iPhone users, this will be the App Store. If you're using an Android device, head to the Google Play Store. Open the App Store by tapping on its icon. In the search bar, type Arrived Homes. Once the search results appear, look for the Arrived Homes app. Check for the app's logo to ensure you found the correct one. Tap on the app to view its details. You will see an option to download or install the app. For iPhone users, tap the Get button. For Android users, tap the Install button. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or to confirm your Google account credentials. Follow any additional instructions that appear on your screen. The app will begin downloading, and you can track its progress through a loading circle. Once the download is complete, a notification will appear. Tap Open to launch the Arrived Homes app immediately. Alternatively, you can find the app icon on your home screen. Tap the app icon to start exploring fractional rental options. If prompted, create an account or log in to access the app's features. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your registration. Now you're ready to enjoy the benefits of fractional rentals through the Arrived Homes app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.